Hey there, today I wanted to walk you through the process on how to find catering clients should you have a catering business. Now, there's the less technical answer of having great pricing and a great service line and appealing food, but then there's the more technical side of it. And that is what I want to go over because it's much more than the whole mindset of if you build it, they will come. Some will, but you need to have a strategy behind it, and that's something I really try to push in the videos I'm sharing with you guys is strategy. So this is our website. We'll start with that. First thing in winning catering clients is having a website. Your website needs to have multiple ways to contact you. So right now, there it goes. We have Drift. So this connects with a live team member to chat to. We have a WhatsApp widget, so people can connect with us directly on WhatsApp. They can book a call with us, and they connect with us on social media. We have multiple outlets for people to connect with us and send us messages. The easier it is to get a hold of, the higher chances you'll have of securing a deal. This also includes, we do have our number just listed. If someone's in a rush, they can just call. But what else? Let's look at some points of the website. We have been told that while we're not the absolute cheapest provider in the area, our website is what has won people over. Why? This is very well put together. Our homepage outlines our core service scope, personalization of menus, expert baristas for our coffee services, and high quality catering. We have listed out some of our clients on here, and that backs us up. It shows our experience, and you can go find reviews from those people, so it's not just slapping up logos and hoping for the best. We're informative. We showcase our team. We showcase our events. All these things we do to add authority and reassure people that we're legit. We also have this contact form at the bottom so people can fill in anything they need. If they fill it out to completion, they'll be able to get a quote usually same or next day, depending on when they submit it. And again, here's that phone number I was talking about. Other aspects of our site that have won people over, again, ease of booking a call to multiple places. We have menus people can download. We have our services listed out, location and services overall. But then after that, you actually need to contact people. So I'm not going to open up our Mailshake account, but we do hold emails. We have scraped data for local businesses and had this really fun email copy written by our founder with the subject line, "Can I come to your next meeting?" First name. It's been a hit. We've mentioned events we've done or events we want to do, and people do reply, and people do come to us through those email replies. It's super effective, and the important thing is to be fun and make people aware at your website. Let them know about you, your team, your service line, and really leave no stone unturned. But then there's more. You can do other styles of outbound outreach to win people over. So let's look at this, right? Add to event is one of my favorites. There's also Bark, B-A-R-K. You can register as a catering company. They work the same, really. You register to this platform. You sign in or become a supplier first. Click become a supplier, fill it out, what you do. You're going to put up your pricing, your service lines, photos of you, right? And let's look up, right? We should pop up. But anyway, if you see this, people fill this in based on what you've selected. You can do it all. And as a service provider, you would have filled in your profile. So whenever somebody submits that form, you come up. I want to show you this really quick. I'm going to pause this so you see it. And this is what it looks like once you're all logged in and everything. You get all these requests, you purchase credits, and you start to read through them. Like, if you're a wedding caterer, say, okay, not sure yet. Up to 100 people, indoor self-service, no waiters, just drop-off delivery. Birthday party in February. There's last minute, there's things planned out over a year in advance, there's all sorts of stuff in here. And all you do is pick one. Say this one. Maybe. Here we go. You can do a templated response that you've made or do one from scratch. And then you send it off. Usually when you send it, you get their contact information so you can give them a call too. So you'll read through this whole thing. Decide if you want to do it. And then you get to move forward. We found this to be a pretty effective platform for us, especially because you'll get suggested to things you've signed up for. It's great, it really is. And one of our other favorites is Pop Tops Inbound. So we do have some things to fix on ours, but again, you enter your service lines, all the information you might need. We'll say smoothie service. And there's some inspiration. That's actually new. Oh, that's interesting. They must have restructured some stuff, so that's fun. You add all your photos relevant to the service. Your descriptions always take up the full amount for character limit. About it, pricing, anything else. Then you just click Save and Send to Review. Then you finish the rest. And then ta-da! It's live and you'll start getting inbound inquiries. It can be a little bit slower, but it's still great. And then I'll just recap it because I do have other videos. I would strongly recommend you to go to those. Get listed on as many directories as possible, as many best of lists as possible, meaning when someone searches best caterers in London, there's blogs that will rank top 5, top 10, top 20. You're going to want to contact the authors of those and try to get on them because then Google recognizes you as one of the top ones. Especially when you get on directories, really push getting reviews. The more reviews you have, again, the more authority you have, the more comfort and reassurance it gives people. So that is just one peek at how to win over catering clients, how to find them. Should you have any questions or need any consulting on this for your own business, please drop a comment below. Or, as I showed, just fill in our form or drop us an email, and we'd be more than happy to try to help you out. But if you've watched this, best of luck on your catering endeavors, and catch you in the next video.